And in fact, it just turned 8 o'clock according to old Boba Fett here. So let's go ahead and get in this so we can kind of talk about it real quick. Welcome back to the Workbench, where we are about to take part in the 2025 48-hour group build. And what that means is we're about to have 48 hours to build a model. And the one that I'm building is the Sinclair Gas Truck. This is something I picked up at Joann's when they were going out of business. When I caught wind of this 48-hour build, which I thought sounded like a blast, I thought this would be perfect. Now, I can't actually open this. I can't do anything yet because we can't start till 8 o'clock. And I'm going to be using the trusty Boba Fett Lego clock here, and it only says it's 7:58. So I've got 2 minutes before I can actually start or even open the box. So what I thought we'd spend the next 2 minutes real quickly doing is just kind of talking about how this is going to work. So we're going to have a video. As soon as I'm finished with this, I'm going to edit this real quick and put it up tonight. So you have a video tonight. Then we'll have a video at 8 o'clock on Saturday, and then we'll have a video at 8 o'clock on Sunday. Obviously the video at 8 o'clock on Sunday will be the final video. That'll be finishing the truck here, the model. Tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna have to run to the store because I don't have green or red paint and the stuff that I need for this. So I'm gonna run to the store first thing in the morning and try to get a lot of work done tomorrow. Now, I've got to also edit the video tomorrow, so I'll have to stop at some point so I can get the video edited, because I want to make sure that y'all have a video at 8 o'clock, and you can kind of get, it's almost like splitting it up in the 24-hour periods. One video, first 24-hour period, next video, second 24-hour period. This video is just the intro to what's going on. But I'll have to have this done by 8 o'clock, and actually I'm going to have it done prior to 8 o'clock on Sunday, because I want to have the video up at 8 o'clock. So I have to have it done a little bit early, which is, I guess, even a little bit more pressure. But anyways, yeah, so this is the model we're going to do. Let's see, we have 1 minute according to Boba Fett. As soon as this thing turns 8 o'clock, I'll go ahead and open the box. Now, the box, I'm going to be upfront and honest. The box has been opened. The plastic is removed. I did look inside to make sure that the pieces were there, because I didn't want that kind of disaster. Oh, I'm going to build this model and there's parts missing. So that has been checked. But for symbolic reasons, we're waiting till 8 o'clock until we actually open the box and kind of look at what's inside, see what we'll be dealing with. I'm going to keep it, obviously, as basic as possible. We're not going to get into any weathering. We're not gonna, we're just going to build it straight from the box. And in fact, it just turned 8 o'clock according to old Boba Fett here. So let's go ahead and get in this so we can kind of talk about it real quick. I don't want to make this a long video, but we can at least look at it. So let's go ahead and pull out what we've got in the box here. Again, this is the Atlantis, what are they calling this? The vintage gas truck. It's 1/48 scale. We got a sheet of decals where we can do this either, we can do it either like a military vehicle or the Sinclair truck. And I definitely want to do the Sinclair. I think that's going to be, it is 1/48 scale, so it more works with military builds. But I like this, I don't know, I just like the Sinclair. And we could, after this is all said and done, maybe do some kind of diorama out of this. Could be a lot of fun. Build up a gas station and stuff for it. So anyways, I think we'll do the Sinclair build. I think the build itself is going to be pretty straightforward. I think that's why I picked this, by the way. Oh yeah, you can see it's 11 steps. Now the steps there's a good bit going on in each step, but it shouldn't be too complicated. There are 2 figures we're going to get to paint, which will be fun. Oh, it does have a little sign too. That's kind of cool. So that if we do end up doing a diorama, we've got a Sinclair sign we'll have to work with. But I'm going to try to keep it pretty straightforward. Just build it straight from the box. Nothing fancy going on. Let's go ahead and open this up and see kind of what our parts look like. Oh, if I can get it open. So we've got the tanker, which is basically just 2 big old pieces of plastic. I think I saw, yeah, it does have a motor we're going to build. I wasn't sure if it would have a motor in it or not, but it does. So we'll get to build a motor. We've got a few clear parts. Here's the cab of the truck, so you can kind of see the scale. It's definitely smaller. And then let's see, we've got one figure. Yeah, and here's the other figure here. So that'll be kind of cool too, get to paint up some figures. We'll probably do that on Sunday. Probably the last thing we do is paint the figures and do that kind of stuff. But yeah, so I think it's going to be pretty straightforward. I don't think I'm actually, it's, 8 o'clock at night and I need to spend time with my family before I start working for 48 hours on this. So I'm probably not going to get anything done today. I more just wanted to do the intro for you guys, let you know what's going on, why there's some extra videos going on the channel. And this is exactly what it is, just a 48-hour build. I think it's going to be, like I said, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to get started on this tomorrow morning early. Like I said, I've even got to run and get paint to get started on this. I think tonight, probably off camera, I'm trying to decide if I want to do anything off camera tonight. I might. No, I think I'm going to film it all. I'm going to film it all and then I'll edit it down. I'm going to film everything. So I'll start tomorrow. I'm going to film everything and then I'll edit it down, obviously, into a bite-sized video, probably 20-ish minutes. So I'm going to actually start on this in the morning. I've got everything. I'll probably go ahead and give everything a cleaning and all that kind of stuff tonight. I might start, you know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do tonight? I'm going to start snipping parts off and getting them cleaned up. I think that's what I'll do tonight. But as far as building, I'm not going to start till tomorrow. Like I said, I kind of want to spend it's Friday night. I want to spend time with the family. So anyways, let me know what you think. I'll get these pieces kind of ready to go tomorrow so we can hit the ground running. Like I said, I'll make sure I have all the paints I need tomorrow morning also, so we can just take off running. Let me know what you think about the build. Let me know, I guess let me know what you think as it's going on. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Also, I'll be posting this stuff over on the Facebook page. If I remember, I'll try to put a link down in the description to the Facebook page. Note to me while editing, put a link down in the Facebook or in the description to the Facebook page for these builds, and I'll be posting over there. I might try to post some pictures and stuff as we go along also throughout, because there's going to be dry times while paint's drying. I might just take some photos and try to keep, so you can follow along as we go and then get the video at the end of the day. I think that'll be a good plan. Anyways, let me know what you think. Let me know on this video, leave me some comments if there's things you want to see or whatever, because I should be able to check the comments before we start tomorrow, so I should hopefully see your comments if you comment early. Otherwise, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with these builds and all the other builds going on here. Hit that like button, ring the bell. I don't know, do all those things you do on YouTube, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you after very busy tomorrow. Bye-bye.